Welcome in all my friends, Lazy Retired Granny here, and today I have an unboxing for you. Now, you're not going to see this until August. This is actually the first part of July. But I only do my unboxings once a week because I don't buy a lot. So I have to spread them out. So today, yes, I know a lot of you have this. And now I can mark it on the list that I have it. This is the Cookies, Books, Diamonds, and Birds by Randall Spangler. And I'm sure you don't need a close-up, but we're going to do it anyway. And it's an 85.9 centimeters by 60.6 centimeters, or 33.9 by 23.6 inches. And this is heavy, so I'm going to put it back down. So, as you can see, square, right there, square diamonds. And let's see what else it tells us here, how it works. And it says 92 colors, including 5 ABs, which stands for Aurora Borealis, 1 iridescent diamond, and 4 fairy dust diamonds, for a total of 83,145 dorels or diamonds. So I guess now we're using the term diamonds. All right, we can do that. All right, so let's open this up, shall we? Yes. Let me get my scissors out. All right. Here we go. Such excitement. I know, I'm probably the last one to show this, but you know what? It's bringing back your memories of what you have seen and getting the excitement going on. All right, let's pull this out. And more, and more, and more, and more. It's a biggie. Oh my gosh. The box, it just keeps going. All right, let's set that down here and out of our way. So what do we get this time? We get the toolkit. And I'm going to bring this down a little bit while I do this part, okay? There we go. All right, so let's see what this toolkit has. All right, anxiously awaiting what's in here. Actually, I'll move my camera just a little bit there. There we go. All right. All right, we have the Twist and Pick pen, which has the clear wax in it, already filled, and the good tip. We have some baggies. We have the really cool toolkit that this is my favorite, or toolkit, the tray, I mean. All right, let's see what's in it. And we get some more clear wax. We get the heart wax. We get a 7-placer. And then it already has a placer on it. And this is a 4-placer. And then, of course, the tip is a single placer. Okay. So that's what comes in the kit. So we'll put all of this back in here nice and safe and sound. And these trays do have this stopper on it. I love these trays. These are my favorite trays. Whoops, I forgot to put the heart back in. That's okay. I'll just put that all right in there and seal it shut so that we don't lose anything. All right, and then we have, thank you for your purchase. And this is where the treasure card's at. These are cute little envelopes, aren't they? And what do we have this time? We have Da-da-da-da-da-da. A bronze. Oh, yay for me. Another bronze. Isn't that pretty? Woo. And then you all know we have our key and a picture of it. And we can put all the information on there that we want. And let's look at the key real quick on here. Lots of symbols, letters, numbers. What do we got for here? So we have got those for the ABs, fairy dust, iridescent. The iridescent must be the L, so I can't forget that. And then the fairy dust is the Z's, and then our ABs. All right, let's memorize that, shall we? All right, so put all this back in here so we don't lose it, all except for the card. And the card, as you know, I started this little photo book here, thanks to Julie. And I put all these in here so I know what's in my inventory. So just slip this in here. I slipped one out because I did the canvas. Okay, there we go. So that goes right in there. All right, so that's done and dusted. All right, let's set this aside so we don't lose it. Put that with the toolkit. All right, oh boy, let's see what we got here. Set the box. I love these boxes. I know a lot of people don't, but I do. Okay, so now I'm going to open this up. You know what? I'm going to use my scissors. There we go. All right, we are up and rolling. And they always come with this plastic cover for them. Keep them nice and clean. And as always, we have the soft canvas here. So now I am going to move you back up. Here you go. Up, 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 up. There we go. And we'll move this a little bit. Okay. And here we go. All right, so I got it right. There it is. Whoa. I had to have this. This is my first one of, wow, it just keeps going. Oh my goodness, there's the drills. Yeah, my first one of the Spanglers. I've never had a Spangler before, so I'm pretty excited about this. You know how it is, folks, when you get your first one. So let's straighten this out a little bit. And what I found out, let me tell you a little trick that I found out. So I have my table here, and if I just grab this, well, you can't see what I'm doing, and run it down my table, it straightens the canvases right up. Yeah, you just pull it, pull it, pull it, and then turn it around and pull it down. Yeah. Okay, so let's turn it over now. There we go. Wow. Oh my goodness, my first Spangler. I'm so excited. Wow. Okay, so I'm just going to examine this canvas real quick and see what all is on here. So, there's the plate of chocolate chip cookies. Wow. Okay. And then, oh, look at here. We got jars of drills or diamonds. Wow. And we have some tape, it looks like, over here. Let's go up. Oh, they got a bunch of diamond paintings here in the boxes. They must have just got a shipment in. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And we have the diamond painting pen. And he's eating cookies while he's diamond painting. He's all happy. Look at that happy face. He says, yeah, I'm doing my favorite things here. And look at his overhead light. Ooh, that's what I need. Then it would shine right down. Wow. Okay, now I need to put you on hold for just 1 second. Finale. Finale? No, that's not the name I want. Hold on. No, I want Lorenz. So, Lorenz, I guess, did a little bit on this too. So, he does birds, and they're doing one of his canvases with his birds. Look at that. I don't know which bird that is. Maybe you can tell me down in the comments. Because you know, this is new to me. Wow. Okay, then let's go up and let's look at these books. This is really what got me on this canvas. I love the names of these books. So, this I'm going to think is birds. Let's get a little bit closer. I need this a little bit closer while we examine. There we go. Multi-Place Mystery. Oh my gosh. That's the book I need to read because it's a mystery. Not for sure what this is. The something. Can't quite read that one. What does this say, you guys? Okay. So let's move over a little bit on the canvas and see what else we can see. Okay, so then we have canvas capers. Oh my gosh, I like that. And then RS, Randall Spangler. Yeah, And then RL, Richard Lorenz. How about that, folks? That was pretty special. They knew what they were doing. Okay, and then let's move it over a little bit. They got their jar full of favorite pens. Ooh, they even got a pink one for me. Pretty blue. Wow, that's nice. Okay, let's go up. And look at this little guy. I know you guys know their names. I don't. He's got his little pen that he's doing, although he's not eating any cookies. But he does have cookies laying here. Wow. And here's another diamond over here. Oh, there's the tray. Ooh, they need to put a stopper on that tray, don't you think? And they spilled some drills here, it looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. Wow. That is fantastic. It has everything in it that, yeah, you'd want in a diamond painting. This is so adorable. Okay, and I've got the red lines here. So when you're diamond painting, you can take these apart and just do, you know, that square. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. I haven't done one yet, so. Oh, this is just so precious, don't you think? This was a great idea, this collaboration. And I do have the other one on the way, the companion to this one. Oh my gosh, I can hardly wait to do these. Yeah, I am getting in on those events. So that'll be a first for me. I'm looking forward to it. So let's go over here and look at these drills. Let's see what we got. So it does have the name on it here. Okay, let's open this up and see what we get. So, did you get this kit? And when are you going to be doing it? Are you going to do it for the event or just do it at your leisure? I want to participate in the event. So I'm not for sure when I will do it, but let's see how things go with diamond painting. And because those are ongoing, that's a good thing. You know, you can just do it when it's convenient for you. Yeah, I'm really getting into these events. They're pretty exciting, I think. It just adds to the diamond painting experience. All right, so let's take these. Oh, look at all these pretty colors that we got. I know you can't see them yet, but I'm getting the trains ready for you. All right, and we are off and rolling. So let's see what we get. Let's see. Let's turn them over this way. Okay, now this is an AB. This one is an AB. I wish I could get this down a little bit farther. Actually, let's look them over this way because I'm not really good at picking these out. Look at the sparkle in that. Oh, look at that pretty blue. And I'm looking for the sparklies here. Oh, there's an, oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Actually, what I'm going to do is stand up. Because we want to see all these beautiful colors, don't we? Oh, look at that one. That is pretty. All right. And we're going to continue on here. One moment, please, though. So it's going to be right here. I'm just going to fold these up so I don't get too unorganized here. There we go. All right, next train. I guess I shouldn't be doing this upside down. If you want to see what colors they are. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Wow, look at all. Ooh, there's an AB. We got a purple people eater, which I call lavender. Oh, yeah. Square drills. Oh, look there. There's a fairy dust. Look at that. Can you see that? Pretty, 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 pretty. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm excited. All right, let's put those there, and let's get to our next train. Let's see what's in here. Okay, and we're off and rolling. There's another AB. Ooh, look at that. And I don't find these drills in the canvas because we'd be here all day looking if it was me. Look at that pretty one. I don't know that I've had that AB before. Beautiful. I love these ABs. Here's another fairy dust. Nice. Oh, there's the famous, oh, only one bag at 310s. Ooh, score. My purple people eaters. Ah, ha, ha. Alright, we got more, folks. I'm telling you, we got more colors. What do you think of this? Okay, there we go. And here's the next train. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, look at that color. 915. What color is that? 915 says 9. Oh, what am I doing? 915. I just want to see what color that is. Let me look at my color chart. And it says, oh, it's a dark plum. Oh, that's interesting. All right, where was I? Here we go. Yeah, that's a dark plum. I don't know. That might be a new to me color. I don't remember that before. Oh, look at here. Fairy dust. Ooh, three bags of fairy dust. Wow. This is actually a really bright red. It's not showing in the camera, unfortunately. Ooh, more fairy dust. Wow, we get lots of special stuff. Ooh, here's an AB in yellow. Look at that. Wow. So what do you think of these colors? They're beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, our last train. All right, let's see what this one brings us. Choo-choo! Oh, I love that color. A 341 is that a periwinkle? No. It says it's a light blue violet, I think is what that is. Wow. Pretty. I like that color. Beautiful colors in this. Ooh, I like that one. Ooh, pretty green. I like green. Wow, that is nice. I love these colors. They did a nice pick of colors in this. Alrighty, there we go. And I did that wrong. There we go. Now I'm on the road to recovery. These were really pretty colors. What did you think? If you've got this canvas, what did you think of the colors? I think they're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, this is going to be such a fun canvas to do. Yeah, I'm going to be liking this. I'm looking forward to it. And I think, let me just check the book. I can't remember, because I'm new to this. Yep, I'm a newbie. to all these events going on. So this one, let's see, this is the Spangler, and I think the Spangler is one that I need to check on as of right now. Let's see what we got here. No, Spangler is in March, July, and November. And I think this is the one that I can't do till July, but because the Penson is in March when they have the next one, and then they, maybe November. Oh, but that would mean that I'm doing 2 events, because I've also got in November the Diamond Art Studio UK to do. And I want to do that one too. Oh my. Yeah, I got to make an executive decision, but I really want to do that one from the UK, because you all know I'm a UK fanatic, and I do want to try their canvas because, and it's an adorable canvas. And it's a Christmas one. And you know what? It's okay if I put this one off until July. Oh my gosh. Will I be able to wait that long? So many pretty canvases out there, and you know, for us to do, it's just, sometimes it's just a hard decision, and I just cannot have a lot of width going. So yeah, I don't do well with that. Plus, if I'm doing an event, I want to, you know, participate 100%. I don't want to be wishy-washy about it. So that's just me, though. Yeah. And I'm sure everybody has a lot of these canvases. I don't, but I just have one. So that's okay. I know that all of you will still be participating in next July. Just so much. I am just so excited about all of this that, yeah. Oh my goodness, this is just so adorable though. So adorable. All right, I'm closing this up. Okay, got them in there. There we go. What do you think, folks? So cute. I love it. Oh, you know what? I didn't even check out. How's our drill filled? Perfect as also. We've got the perforated edges with the pin pricks on it. We got the key on both sides, which I don't use it. I use the other when I do the canvases. I'm really looking forward to doing one of these canvases with the, you know, the squares, because I've never done that before. I haven't done one of those yet, so I look forward to that too. All right, folks. Well, that is it for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments if you purchased this and what you think of it, all that good stuff, and what event you are going to participate in for this. So with that, I'll let you go. Thanks for watching, and I will jibber jabber with you later.